Dear students, welcome to Pakistan International School Qatar free learning program. This video lecture is prepared by Department of Social Sciences for subject of Social Studies, Class 5. This is week 11 and lecture 1. Dear students, as you know, we are learning some interesting and important facts and figures about famous cities of Pakistan. The topic for today's discussion is Quetta. Learning objectives of today's topics are students will be able to know about the origin, construction and location of Quetta, to understand the historical and beautiful buildings of Quetta, to demonstrate their understanding, to write answers of questions of the given worksheet. Quetta is the capital of Balochistan province. The boundaries of Iran and Afghanistan meet here, and the Bolan Pass lies on important lines of communications. Quetta derives its name from the Balochi and Quetta and Quat, which means a fort. The earliest mention of Quetta in the history is around the 11th century when it was captured by Mahmud of Ghazni on one of his invasions of the subcontinent. In 1935, there was a terrible earthquake, which destroyed most of the city. It was gradually rebuilt, and today Quetta is an important road junction with routes leading into Afghanistan and Iran. It is situated at a height of 1,700 meters, so it gets very cold in winter. Dear students, Quetta is also known for the variety of fresh and dried fruits available there. Now, we will learn about the well-known and historical buildings of Quetta. We will discuss few of them in detail. Hanna Lake, Ziyarat, Quetta Azam Residency, Quetta Museum, URAK Valley, HAZARGANJI CHILTAN National Park. Hanna Lake near Quetta is a popular picnic spot. Hanna Lake is in the hills close to where the URAK Valley begins, 10 kilometers east from Quetta city. The reservoir was constructed in 1894. During the British colonial era on the land of local tribesmen, and is one of the main attractions in the city. It forms a great historical bridge wall between two mountains, the depths like battlements of a fort, for the storing of water. Close to Quetta is the hill resort of Ziyarat, which was a favorite place of the Quetta Azam. Pilgrims come here to visit the Ziyarat shrine of the famous Muslim Saint Mian Abdul Hakim, who is also known as Karwari Baba, who fled here from Kandahar in Afghanistan. The shrine is 3 kilometers from the Quetta Azam residency. Quetta Azam spent his last days in the house, which is now a museum called the Quetta Azam Residency. Quetta Azam Residency, also known as Ziyarat Residency, is located in Ziyarat, Balochistan, Pakistan. It is the most famous landmark of the city, constructed in 1882 during the British Raj. The British were not the only ones to appreciate Ziyarat, so too did Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Quetta Azam great leader. Jinnah spent his last days here in 1948, suffering from the cancer that killed him. The Quetta Azam Residency is the former residency of the agent to the Governor General. The furniture is left just as it was when Jinnah stayed here before returning to Karachi to die. This small but well-kept archaeological museum of Balochistan, also known as Quetta Museum. The galleries display figurines from Mohenjo-Daro in Sindh province, pottery pieces from sites in Balochistan, and Stone Age implements from the Zab, Quetta and Kalat valleys. URAK Valley is a valley surrounded by mountains in the Quetta district of Balochistan province, in western Pakistan. URAK Valley is located near Hanna Lake, and 28 kilometers from Quetta city. A small waterfall at its end marks entrance to the adjacent Wali Tangi Dam. Dear students, another place of interest is HAZARGANJI Chiltan National Park. It was established in 1978 in Quetta. This park protects markhor, an endangered species in the national animal of Pakistan. Thank you students for being attentive throughout the lecture. Have a blissful day. Stay safe.